Devramane felt like entering a calm hidden world far away from city life. The journey itself slowly changed our mood as roads became narrow and surrounded by greenery. Tall trees and coffee plantations made the drive feel peaceful and refreshing. Cool fresh air replaced the usual heat and made every breath feel lighter. As we went higher, the silence became stronger and more noticeable. There were no vehicle sounds, only wind moving through trees. Every turn showed mist slowly covering the hills. The place looked untouched, natural, and completely peaceful. A small temple stood quietly between the mountains, adding a spiritual feel. The surroundings were simple but felt powerful and calming. Soft mist moved slowly across the hills, creating a dreamy atmosphere. We stopped there without speaking much, just enjoying the silence. It felt like time slowed down for a few moments. The cool breeze and light fog made everything feel fresh and alive. We were fully relaxed and lost in that peaceful environment. Suddenly, the weather started changing faster than expected. Dark clouds gathered quickly and covered the sky. Wind speed increased and started hitting strongly. The calm atmosphere slowly turned intense. Within minutes, rain started pouring heavily. It was not normal rain but cold, sharp mountain rain. The drops felt strong and refreshing at the same time. Wind pushed against us, making it hard to stand still. Mist became thicker and started covering everything. Visibility slowly reduced with every passing second. We could barely see a few steps ahead. It felt like we were completely surrounded by clouds. Everything turned white and unclear. The hills slowly disappeared into the mist. Even the temple behind us faded into the fog. Cold air mixed with rain made the moment more intense. Instead of running away, we stayed there enjoying it. Kids started running around with full excitement. They were shouting loudly and laughing continuously. Their happiness made the whole place feel alive. Some of us joined them and started playing in the rain. We didn't care about getting wet or feeling cold. A few of us even started dancing in the heavy rain. That moment felt free, natural, and full of energy. The strong wind and rain made it even more thrilling. We were holding each other and laughing loudly. No one wanted to leave that place at all. Even in heavy rain, we kept enjoying every second. That raw connection with nature felt unreal. We forgot about time, phones, and everything else. It felt like we were living in that moment completely. The mix of fog, wind, and rain created pure magic. Nature showed its powerful and beautiful side together. That experience was not planned but became the best part. Peace and excitement existed at the same time. Every second there felt memorable and different. Devramane did not have luxury but had real beauty. It made us feel small in front of nature. It also made us feel happy like kids again. Those moments of laughter in rain stayed with us. The feeling of standing inside clouds was unforgettable. That place gave us both calmness and thrill together. It was not just a location we visited. It became a deep experience we truly felt. Even after leaving, we kept talking about it. Devramane gave us memories that will stay forever.